Hi guys, there's a couple of questions on how's the room going, so I thought I'd do a little bit of an update. I put some insulation down on the floor. I'm putting these bamboo ones down temporary. I think April said there's another rug somewhere, so I'm going to put one on here just to protect it so it doesn't get marked or ripped. TV unit's there now, just got the door left to put on for tonight. The sockets I've started wiring in, so they've got electrics up to here and round. The wiring's there, that's got to come round here. Be another one there, then that cabinet will come over here. Got another wall fan, which will probably replace this one. What else have we got? As you can see, it's still tidying up a bit, but it's starting to get there. I'm going to try and pick the sofa up later. I might even try and squeeze that in tonight. I might bring that over tonight, drop it in here out the way. Got another dehumidifier. You can see humidity is currently at 60. Somebody did ask what model this is. This one's about €270. It's a Lima. Let's have a look on the back. Is there a label anyway? Let's have a quick look, because somebody was asking. Oh dear. What's the model? Is D620. So it's a D620. I find they work really well. I say it's not the cheapest thing. It's fairly quiet. We've got two of these now. Then we've got a little one here, which this room's a bit big for. So we've got to leave that here. You can run a pipe. It does come with a pipe, which was here earlier. I think we cleared it when we were moving stuff around. So you can put a pipe on it to run it out as well. There's the pipe there. So it comes with a plastic pipe that you can use with it. Just to keep the humidity down in the rooms, we've got some blinds on order as well. So there will be some blinds up there as well. They're due in the next few days. I've ordered a chair as well. I went and got the chair tonight. Went to the first furniture shop, says yeah, we can order one. Be about 4 weeks. Went to the next shop, yeah, we can order you one. Might be tomorrow, might be in 2 weeks. And I just thought, I need to get this finished. So tonight, just get the rug down, order the chair. Got a nice leather comfy chair coming in. So there'll be the work chair, and then there'll be a comfy chair. Because over here, you see they're going to be a 55-inch or a 65-inch screen, Xbox, PlayStation, chill out lounge. And obviously the VR headsets are going to be down there as well. Might move some of the drones over, because we've got 4 drones as well. Bit of a lad pad, but I'm happy. It's nearly there. And then the plants are up here as well. They already look happy. Look at him, he's growing well now. Look at that. It's already starting to expand out. We've had a few of the guys die. Poor old coconut guy out there. Got to take him out there, reuse the soil, because it's good soil. But nearly there, and obviously we've got a junk run there. Look at all the boxes out there. And then we've got the 2 sun lounges that the boys use, so that'll probably end up one there, one there. I was thinking coffee table, then I thought I'll use the lounges because got enough stuff up here. I'll try and make space, not lose it. So next thing is get the sofa up, and I think this guy's going to come up tonight off the corner there. This rather big plant. I think he's going to move in either here or over there. I think there, so he's not getting too much sunlight. But I'm actually more chilled now because it's all coming together. And this lamp we bought ages ago, so that's going to go over in that corner. Computer set up. Nearly there. Just tired. Worked all day, then been working on here tonight just to try and get it nearly finished. I think another 3 days will be done. Still thinking about the light here. I don't think we're going to need one, to be fair, because even though I've changed that over to a fan, got that lamp. The VR headsets have got lights on them as well, and I've got another lamp which was probably going to end up in that corner over there, so a bit more ambient, but also means if, for example, you're up here at night and want to go and sit out there, you can sort of grab one of the lights and pull it outside, so it's a bit more chilled. So nearly there. Thankfully, year in, and we're pretty much. How long we had the house now? We've had the house about 18 months. I think we've done quite a lot in 18 months. Moved on quite far. Loving it. Humidity's going up, not down. No, that's not good. But anyway, guys, gonna finish off so I can go and relax and watch what we're watching at the moment. Resident Alien, which is quite a good series if you haven't seen it. Alright, take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching.